What's up, Tesla Nation? Welcome to another edition of T for Tesla. Still in Vegas. I just want to do a little, how can I say this? Opinion piece, whatever you want to call it. Okay. I'm kind of torn on this topic. Okay. As everybody know. What is it? Today's June 16th, right? As everybody know, Elon put out a few days ago, what is it? His plan of laying off like what 9% of the company's workforce, and so basically what it means is a lot of people is going to lose their job, you know. And if you read a lot of his comments and stuff, I mean, he feels badly about it, but at the same token, it is a business, and in order for, he's starting to get more pressure from people, which is another topic I'm kind of torn. It's like, in the beginning he needed the money, so that's why he probably went public. He needed the money, the money to invest in, all these equipment, all this factory and stuff to build the brand. But at the same token, you leave yourself open for investors, and and a lot, to tell you the truth, a lot of them are, they're profit driven. They don't really care. I mean, and here's the thing, I have no problem with people making money. Okay, I myself like to make money. Everybody like to make money. Me, I'm a big free market guy, and I believe in that, but at the same token, that's why I'm a little bit torn on this. Is like, Tesla's become a business, and it should become a business. It should become an efficient running business, okay? And he's trying to make a profit. But I guess there's just a part of me back there saying like, what if he just kept it private, But I digress on that, because that's a different topic, different discussion on that. But I just want to talk about the people that he laid off and how it affects people. As you can see in my past video, I think very highly of the people at Tesla, the people who work for Tesla, the people who helped me get my car, the people who helped me design my solar system, the people who helped me, get my battery, the people who you've gone through this whole process, and their livelihood and their family, got to know them. I consider them friends. I don't even consider them like a Tesla employee, because some of these people who cross my path are truly friends. Like I said, my friend Julius, his saying is always one dream, one team, right? And I kind of adopted that on the site, on my channel. I'm sorry. And so it's all these people are great in their family, and whenever you see one of your family member lose their job or go through tough times, it's tough, right? So I got word that my friend Julius, so he's one of the person who got let go, and it saddens me. It saddens me a bit, because he's such a great person, and he's such a great salesman. He never tried to upsell you anything. He just presented for you and then answer all your questions and stuff. So he's a great salesman. So people like him, I mean, are just awesome people, and so I just feel really, really bad, that people like himself are let go, and I'm pretty many others, and that's and I'm pretty sure Elon is torn about this, but he's getting people riding his back right now, and he has to turn a profit, So I mean, it's a terrible situation, but still, it's a business. We have to keep perspective that it's a business. This business needs to keep going, and we need to have the Tesla brand keep on going. Okay, so for me, I think the whole Tesla brand, and the last video I did, how highly I speak of Elon and the Tesla brand. I'm Team Tesla all the way, and you know what? And I don't apologize for it, and I'll tell you right now, I mean, you guys watching my video, certain things I am going to give you a fair evaluation and stuff like that, but I'm gonna admit it. I'm kind of biased on you know on some of my review because I love Tesla, and you know, so be it. You know, take it for what it is. So you know, so for you know, for me, you know, I'm really torn. This is such a sad subject for me. One hand, you know, I understand the business side of it, and in order for any business to survive, they have to make adjustments to their business. You know, otherwise, it's, you know, the business goes down, and you know, everybody loses out. You know, and like I said, Elon probably lost a lot of sleep. I mean, as you can see, he's a caring type of guy, so this probably killed him to do it, you know, but he has to do it. And then on the other hand, you know, people like my friend Julius, you know, and a great person, a great employee, and you know, and he got let go, you know, and you know, it's sad. So it's people have families. Everybody have families. You know, their father, or you know, or has a father themselves, and you know, this weekend is probably not going to be that great. You know, and probably not a great weekend for Elon either. You know, because he has to do this. You know, so I mean, I don't. I'm just a little bit lost for words and stuff. You know, I'm just so torn. You know, the one thing I do hope is Elon. I don't even know if you watched this video or not, or you know, any of my video, and or hopefully somebody else watched this video. I'm like, all I ask from you, Elon, is, I mean, I love you to death, man. I mean, I praise you, and I bow down to you. You know, I mean, you're my hero, you know, on this whole journey and stuff. But so all I ask, if you do get a chance to watch this video, or somebody share this video, you know, if there's any possible way, you know, whether you have to, you know, reintegrate these people back into the company in a different format, maybe one area of the market is, you know, that you need help in, like maybe sales of the Model 3 or production of the Model 3, whatever. I hope you hire these people back into the Tesla, or even give them a higher priority than, say, somebody who's never worked for Tesla, and get them back in, because you got a great workforce. You got a bunch of people here who believe in the brand. I mean, that's a lot to say for something, you know, like a lot of your employees believe in the brand, and they love the brand, and they love you. As you can see, some of your tweet, a lot of these people are heartbroken they got let go, but they still believe in you and what you've done, you know. So I'm hoping that you can find some way. Of course, you still have to run a business, you have to turn a profit, because there's people riding your ass right now, you know. But I hope that you can find some way to reintegrate these people, or at least give them a higher priority. Say, you know, once the Model 3 hell is over and the production's run smooth, and then, you know, your brand continue growing, that you reintegrate these people, or give them a higher priority to the job position than somebody who's never worked for Tesla before, you know. So Elon, I hope you're hearing me. Please, man, you know, figure something out. You're a genius. I know you're gonna figure something out. These people are great people, man, and so I hope you guys can, you know, work something. You and your business people just figure something out. I mean, you can't lose money, you know, you gotta let people go, you gotta cut costs, but hopefully you can't lose money, you know. I mean, you can't lose money, so, but there's ways to be creative and get people working again, you know. That, I mean, you know, so going back a little bit, like I said, I'm still torn on this, and you know, but I still love the Tesla brand, and a lot of people out there going, well, you know, Tesla is you know, is this and that. The haters out there, you know what? They're the one who start, you know, Elon and Tesla's the one who opened the Pandora's box, and that box is never going to be closed again. And for me, I'm a big Tesla guy. I buy Tesla product, and as long as they produce great products, I'm still gonna buy it, and I'm not gonna buy anything else, even though the premium, I'm paying for a premium. I mean, just like Apple, right? Why does everybody has an iPhone? You know, I mean, because it's a great product. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla's a great product. There's many product out there, but you know, why you buy brand? Because it's proven, you know. And I don't mind paying the premium for good product, and if it puts people like my friend to work and stuff like that, so be it, you know. I'll keep on doing that, you know. As a matter of fact, we put a we re-put our money back into getting the Model 3, so So we're still waiting for that, you know, which, you know, I like I said, I don't mind paying the premium. And I, you know, you know, I truly believe that Tesla and Elon is going to figure something out for these people that unfortunately had to be let go. I mean, it's a huge 9% of a company. I mean, that's pretty big, you know. And I'm assuming a lot of it's going to be on the solar side, you know. So for me, I'm gonna keep on as I consider myself, you know, a person who believes in Tesla and an ambassador to Tesla and stuff. I'm gonna tell people what my experience is with the solar and stuff, and hopefully I can make a sale and then maybe get some of those people back, you know, working again, you know. So you know, like I said, I'm a loss for word, you know. I'm ranting a little bit here, but I'm just, I'm right now. I'm a loss for words. A really sad day for me. You know, after I just did the video, you'll see the video of my review of the town square park, and then I get this text from my friend, and gosh, I mean, I just feel so bad. So I mean, it's that's why I'm doing this video right now, right in this impromptu, just do it right now. I was just gonna do a review and be done with it, but now I got this text, and it just makes me really sad. Sad day for me. I mean, I still have other friends who work for Tesla Grade that made it through the round of purging and stuff, but like I said, I did lose a casualty in that, and a friend, but I didn't lose a friend. I just lost a friend who happened to work for Tesla, but but I did not lose a friend. So, guys, this is a great company, great product. Please consider their product. You know, when you are considering buying solar or something, please, you know, consider their product. Yes, you are paying a premium, but you're paying a premium for a reason. Okay? They're good people. They follow up. They have good product and stuff. It's still business, guys. As a business, we need to support business. You know, I mean, nothing's free in life, or nothing worth cherishing is free in life. So, but anyway, I'm just gonna end on a very somber note. But I still believe in Elon, so I'm gonna say this, but with you, not my cheery face as usual, but in Elon we trust. Got that? In Elon we trust. Elon, please, do not let me lose that trust in you.